Learn English at home. Learning English at home is a great way to improve your language skills. Many people around the world choose to study English at home because it is flexible and convenient. You can learn at your own pace and in your own space. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or already know some English. Learning at home can help you become better. There are many ways to learn English at home. One of the best ways is to use online resources. You can find many websites, apps, and videos to help you learn English. Some websites offer free lessons, while others have paid courses. You can use these resources whenever you want, making it easy to study whenever you have time. One of the most important parts of learning English is listening and speaking. To practice speaking, you can find a language partner or a friend who speaks English. You can talk with them over video calls or by chatting online. If you don't have a partner to practice with, you can still speak out loud to yourself. You can read a book, repeat sentences, or talk about your day in English. This will help you become more confident when speaking. Another important part of learning English is reading. Reading books, articles, or websites in English will help you understand the language better. Start with easy books or stories that are designed for beginners. As you become more confident, you can read more difficult materials. There are also many children's books in English that are simple and fun to read. Watching movies and TV shows in English is another great way to learn. You can start with subtitles in your own language to help you understand the story. As you improve, you can switch to English subtitles. This will help you hear the words and see how they are used in real conversations. Watching shows and movies will also help you learn about different cultures and everyday life. One great app for learning English is Duolingo. It is free and fun to use. Duolingo offers many lessons and games to help you practice vocabulary, grammar, and speaking. It helps you learn step by step, and you can practice as much as you want. You can also track your progress and challenge yourself to learn more every day. You can also listen to English music or podcasts. Many podcasts are made for English learners. These podcasts are slow and clear, so you can understand the words easily. Listening to music in English is also a fun way to improve your skills. Try to sing along with the songs. This will help you practice pronunciation and understand the meaning of the lyrics. If you want to learn grammar, there are many books and websites that can help you. Grammar is important because it helps you understand how to build sentences correctly. Start with simple grammar lessons, like the present, simple, and past simple tenses. As you improve, you can study more complex grammar topics. You can also practice grammar by writing short sentences or paragraphs in English. Writing is another important skill to practice. Start by writing simple sentences or a diary in English. Write about your day, your favorite things, or your goals. Writing will help you improve your vocabulary and grammar. You can also check your writing using online grammar checkers, which can help you correct mistakes. Setting a schedule for your English studies is also important. Learning English at home can be difficult if you don't have a plan. Try to study at the same time every day. This will help you stay consistent. You can study for 20 to 30 minutes a day and increase the time as you improve. Make sure you take breaks to avoid feeling tired or frustrated. Joining online English groups is another way to improve your skills. Many websites and social media platforms have groups where people practice English together. You can join these groups to ask questions, share your learning experiences, or practice speaking. These groups are also a good place to find language partners or study friends. Finally, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. The important thing is to keep trying and learning from those mistakes. The more you practice, the better you will become. Don't worry if you don't speak perfectly. Over time, your English will improve, and you will feel more confident. In conclusion, learning English at home is a great way to improve your skills. There are many resources available to help you, and you can learn at your own pace. Practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and always keep learning. With time and effort, you will see great improvement in your English skills. Keep going and enjoy the process.